Ingvar Kamprad is the founder of Swedish retail giant IKEA. He is one of the richest men in the world, with a net worth of over $40 billion. Kamprad was born in 1926 in Pjätteryd, Sweden. His father was a farmer and his mother was a housewife. He was dyslexic and dropped out of high school at age 17. Kamprad started IKEA in 1943 at the age of 17, selling fish, seeds, and later, pencils, wallets, and picture frames out of his home. In 1948, he started selling furniture, and by 1955, IKEA had grown into a successful furniture company with 12 stores in Sweden. IKEA expanded rapidly into Europe and North America in the 1970s and 1980s. Today, it is the world's largest furniture retailer, with over 400 stores in more than 40 countries. IKEA is known for its simple, functional, and affordable furniture, as well as its unique marketing and design. Kamprad is known for his simple lifestyle, which is in contrast to his billionaire status. He lives in a small house in Sweden, and drives an old Volvo. He is also known for his frugal business practices, which have helped IKEA to become a successful company. Kamprad is a role model for many people, due to his simple lifestyle and success in business. He is an inspiration for those who want to achieve success in their own lives. Kamprad is a true rags to riches story, and his success is an inspiration to many.